Okay, everyone, this might be the last trip for this year, for this season, and the temperature today is 13.5 degrees Celsius, and yeah, it have been colder this summer. Today I am testing Moto Trauma Kit bag from Alces ADV, and my plan is to do at least a short first impression of it. When I'm riding, I can't feel that I have the Trauma Kit on. It sits very nice, very good to the hip. A couple of weeks ago I also wear the Trauma Kit when I was out walking for a shorter walk, about 6 kilometers, and the same there. I couldn't notice that I have the trauma. There was my neighbor, the trauma bag on, and that's of course how it should be. It sits really good on the pants that I have. There is a type of molle patch already installed on the right leg, but patches on the right knee is too low for me, at least. It sits down on the knee and not on the hip. So for me it wasn't comfortable to put the Trauma Kit on the right knee. I walked around a little at home, and I could feel the kit when I had it on that mounting place. So it's not that comfortable as to have it on the left hip, at least not for me. It can be too downside to have it on the left hip on those pants that I have, and the first is like that it restricts the left ventilation, the ventilation on the left leg, because it sits right above the ventilation pocket, or what you should call it. So when wearing the Trauma Kit, it will restrict the ventilation, and also as the one of the leg pocket sits right under, right beside of the ventilation pocket, it also restricts access to the left pocket on the trousers. But I don't think that will be a big problem, because it's really easy to just lose the belt that is on the around your thigh, and the bag will still hang in the upper mounting points. So you just loosen the belt on the left leg, and then you will get access to your pocket. So I mean, you don't use your pocket when riding. You only access them when be off your bike, and when you're off the bike it's no problem to just loosen the belt that's around the thigh.
Yes, and here you have the Moto Trauma Kit from Alces ADV that I am talking about in this video. The Moto Trauma Kit is mainly this bag and this mounting system, and it also contains I don't know what to call it in English, maybe a sledge or something like that. You have a piece of elastic belt, or yeah, I will show you instead. That's to keep your trauma kit in. So you open this bag, and then you have a toggle in the rope so that you very fast can pull out the thing that you have in the kit. I can show you what I have chosen to have in my kit. I have a type of face mask, breathing mask for CPR, and I also have a couple of nitrile gloves. I have this cat tourniquet, and I also have a SWAT T tourniquet, a scissor, a couple of swabs to clean your hand, compressed gas to pack a wound. I also have this control wrap, that's a type of elastic bandage, and a safety blanket to protect from weather. So that's what I have chosen to have in my kit, and it's not included in the kit, in the bag when you buy the bag, but you can buy those things from his shop as a kit, or you can build your own kit with different type of thing. Yeah, that's my trauma kit. Here you can see the trauma kit on, and here you can see the mole patch that I talked about, and as you can see that's pretty far down on right knee, and when the bag is mounted here I can feel it on my right knee. As you can see it will restrict the ventilation when carry the bag on the left hip. At least some of the ventilation. You could still have it open like that, so it's not totally restricted, but most of the ventilation is restricted. And also what I talked about, the left pocket, when have the bag on the hip, it will restrict the pocket, but you can see it's really easy to just open, and then you have full access to the pocket. Of course, now and then it will be in the way when moving around in the campsite or something like that.
other hand, it's just take it off when you are at a campsite. You don't need to carry it on your body all the time, of course. So when on the campsite, moving around, when you are going in and out or out from your tent, just take it off. And then when you are going again, just put it on and you have it there. That was the Moto Trauma Kit from Alces ADV, and how I have it.